Assalamualaikum guys, what's up? Aku Amir, one of the Harambaes. Aku ada dua orang lagi kawan aku, iaitu Adakah dan Chong. Tapi diorang tak ada untuk video aku kali ni. For those who are new to our channel, welcome. And for those who is not new to our channel, welcome back. Jadi untuk konten aku kali ni adalah aku nak cakap pasal seorang budak bernama Danish Daniel, seorang content creator slow motion TikTok berumur 16 tahun, I think. Kenapa aku buat konten pasal dia ni? Sebab dia sekarang tengah blowing up in every social media yang Malaysians tahu, iaitu TikTok, Instagram, YouTube dan juga Twitter. And people are saying things about him dan membuatkan aku jadi curious. What kind of things that people talk about Coki ni? Orang cakap pasal about his fans, about his content, obviously cringy contents. Aku kat sini pun bukan a judge lah. Aku just nak menganalisis as to why his content is blowing up and why is people saying bad things about it. For a start, kita cuba try tengok a bit of his content just to get introductory things about it. Let's watch it. So as you can see, every video yang dia buat is mostly slow motions and lagu yang very cringy songs lah. Okay, I think we had enough of Coki for a single video, for a single content of YouTube. Jadi now we are moving on to his contents in YouTube channel sendiri. Jadi kita akan tengok konten YouTube dia dulu. Konten YouTube dia adalah bernama Coki Production. And sekarang ni dia ada about 111k subscribers and 17 videos in total. And average viewers dia is about 100k viewers. That is a lot for a new YouTube punya channel. But actually it's not new lah, dia start 4 months ago. Dia also ada buat content pasal reaction slow-mo dekat content orang lain.
So untuk yang pertama kita akan react yang ni. First dia IG dia nama Allah Akbar kalau nama IG dia bunga melaka _ Okay, kita akan tengok
Dia tengok konten dia sendiri.
Dia macam
Sure if you realise his content is
It's kind of weird because he is the mainstream slow motion punya content creator, and then he react dekat orang lain punya slow motion videos. So it's like dia tengok content dia sendiri, and I'm not sure if he realise his content is cringy or not. But from this point of view, I think you can see lah. I think that's enough for a bit of his content in YouTube. Dia ada Instagram dia sendiri, iaitu ___.coki. And of course, kita tak payah cari jauh-jauh, semua content slow motion semua ada kat sini. But actually he has his second Instagram account, iaitu Tengku Kecil, and ada about 124k followers. From here also dia post all his slow motion videos pun dekat sini juga. I don't know if Tengku Kecil ni is dia ataupun orang lain. Orang lain post pasal dia fans SC or what. Oh wow.
Bruh. What the hell is going on, bruh? Boy, oh boy.
Okay, I think that's enough for our content for today lah, huh? It's too much for me. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like or comment if this video intrigues korang punya curiosity, or if I did any mistakes, or if you guys want to comment about or to critique on my first close-up video. I'm open to criticism and I'm open to improving myself. Thank you for watching.
Stesen Terminal, Sentul Timur. Terima kasih kerana menggunakan LRT laluan Ampang. Terminal Station, Sentul Timur. Thank you for using LRT Ampang Line. Terima kasih kerana tidak merokok, makan dan minum semasa berada di dalam tren dan di stesen. Terima kasih. Pintu sebelah kiri dibuka. Doors on the left are opening. Stesen berikutnya, Plaza Rakyat. Stesen pertukaran